आरटीओच्या अधिकाऱ्यांनी स्वतःचो आणि आपल्या खात्याचो रिस्पेक्ट परत मिळवूंक जाय असो येरादारी मंत्र्यांचो इशारो। आरटीओ आपले काम विसरल्यात अशें दिसता आणि खंय तरी पोलीस तांचे काम स्वता करपाक लागल्यात हाची दखल आरटीओन घेवपा जाय। पयलींच्या तेंपार लोकांक आरटीओचो भय आसतालो, मात आता अचानक हो भय नासो जाला। आरटीओन आपली जबाबदारी सारकी पार पाडूंक जाय। पोलीस आपले काम करता, पूण आम्ही आमचे काम सारखे करूंक जाय अशेंय मंत्री मोविन गुदिन्हो म्हणटात।
And I want to tell, ultimately there has to be discipline on the road. If there is discipline, there will be less accident or no accident. And enforcement is basically our job. Somehow we seem to have forgotten for some time that it is basically our job. It looks like sometimes the police department only has taken over. You see them wearing khaki dress or white dress everywhere, and our people are absent. Let them also do, but we also need to do our job. Take it little seriously, I am telling all our officers. We have to ultimately see that people don't break the rules as frequently and as if there is no care for the law at all. नवीन एक स्थिती अशी जाला, रस्त्यार कितेंय केलें जाता आनी कोणाचे केअर ना। आता नवी गाडी मेळ्ळा, वयर व्यवस्थितपणे ते लायट्यो बीन बसयले काय मातशें भिरांत आसपा जाय। आदले तेंपा बरी भिरांत कशी आसताली, आता कोणाची भिरांत ना। I don't want this sort of discipline. I want strict discipline. You all first maintain that sort of discipline and get respect to you all and the department back. Okay, this is what I expect from you. आणि चड काय सांगपाक सोदना।